Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm doing this video after quite a few weeks in lockdown, as you can see by the length of my fringe, so hopefully it doesn't look too bad. I've come back to you today with some ideas of some really simple sentences that you can use around the house, really just kind of even like a phrase, and it's just a way to keep up our Māori language use at home and at work. And it's a bit like how we have a few words in our vocabulary in New Zealand where we use Māori words every now and again and people know what they mean. People just know because they're used a lot, like people know kia ora is hello, and they probably know that I is yes, and there's a few other little words like that that people know what they mean. So I think this is another one that we can really add, which is Anei. So Anei doesn't have a macron, so it's not Anei, and this is Anei. E turns into the sound E, A. Close enough. Anei. So Anei is here, like here it is, or here they are, or here she is. So you can just say Anei. So if somebody's wanting to have something and you're giving it to them, you say, here it is, Anei, or you've found something that you were looking for, Anei, it can just be for you. So Anei is what you would say out loud to somebody else or yourself if you've found something or you're giving them something, and it means here. Here it is, here they are, here she is. It just covers lots of things. And then if you wanted to just expand that a little bit to use more of your reo, for example, Anei te pene, here's the pen, so somebody might say, oh, has anyone seen my pen? Oh, Anei, or Anei te pene, here's the apple, Anei te āporo, sometimes you can't find your keys, oh, Anei te key, here's the key, or Anei ngā key, here's the keys. Mahere whenua is map, Anei te mahere whenua, so somebody might be going in a direction which isn't the correct one and you might want them to look at the map, so Anei te mahere whenua, here's the map. At the supermarket, here's the trolley, kōneke, Anei te kōneke, so these should have te in front of them, sorry. Anei te mahere whenua, Anei te kōneke, and because the te is just the, Anei te miraka, here's the milk, Anei te miraka. So there's lots of things that you can say with it, or you can just say Anei. And I think that's a really good idea for us to just add that little word into our usage as many times as possible that we can think of each day until it becomes automatic. And that's the way that we can really improve our Māori language without any kind of stress and just make it doable. All the best and see you next time. Ka kite.